I heard this Hindi phrase once, मैंने खुद की कटवा ली. It happened to me, literally. So I had this same hairstyle for 4 years, and I thought it's time to change, and I am capable of bringing this change upon myself in a good way. My goal was to achieve cotton bangs because, oh my god, this hairstyle looks so good. Look at this happy face. It's not gonna be happy in a very short time. So I could have gone to a salon, but I didn't because of my social anxiety. I have not gone to a salon for years. In years, it's been like 5 6, I don't know how many years. And I thought I could do this cut and bang. I watched many tutorials and I thought I have mastered the art. Such a big mistake. And it's like, you go to exam and you read very well, you prepare very well, but you start writing your paper and you are blank, you don't know what you are doing anymore. So something like that happened to me, and I wish I stopped there because there are so many things I did wrong. I took a very large portion of my hair. I didn't need this much hair for cut and bangs, whatever that is. But I did. I should have parted the hair in the middle section. I think I couldn't even see properly. So I couldn't even see properly, and oh my god, I can't even look at it. There is no going back. I know this now. If I could like go back, I could go and tell myself, don't do this. Even Tata came and he was looking at me. He was like, why you are doing this to yourself? Look at his face. And it happened, and it was not, it is bad. It doesn't look like cotton bangs. I think I was too scared to cut it short, so I thought, okay, let's keep it long, then I'm gonna go on cutting it shorter and shorter, because once you cut your hair short you cannot do anything. So that was, I think, my plan. Even I'm not sure right now what was my plan, but I told you, there are many things I have done wrong here. Oh no, this is the worst thing I have done. I mean, why? I even didn't know what I was doing, I think. See, this is not symmetrical at all. These two portions should look like twins, sisters. They don't even look like distant cousins, even total stranger. Now I'm laughing, but it was not funny that time. And I was hopeful. I was like, okay, I could manage it. I will do something about it. But this happened. Just look, no symmetry. It doesn't have any shape. And this is, at this point, even I was too scared to do cut and bangs. So I thought, or maybe I'm just gonna keep this like layers. So I was just trying to check how it blends with my rest of the hair, but it was looking horrible. It wasn't blending at all. At this moment I was like, I have to make certain choices right now. I was sweating. So I thought, number one, I can go to a salon and fix this. Number two, I can again try by myself. Number three, let's not do anything. So I had these three options in my hand, and I was in denial, I think. Even like, no, it looks good, but I realized it doesn't look good at all. So I thought and I thought and I thought, and I decided to do something, to take the option number one, number two, or number three, which that would be. So I took the number four. Actually, it was not there, number four. Still, I just created the option. I called my husband on Irban and I told him, fix my hair right now. He was like shocked. I like, really? This is what I do. I mess things up, then I just call him like, tum kuch karo, kichu kor. You have to do something. Then he tries his best, bechara. And yeah, there he's trying to again fix the mess I have created. And he did his best, he was very patient. I feel so bad for him because he was scared as well because things could get worse. So yeah, he was like very slow. He took his time, and I told him to do the cotton bangs, and I showed him the photos. But he was like, "I'm not gonna do this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend your hair. I'm gonna bring some symmetry.
Bad or not bad?
Not bad. Or I'll take you to some professional, something like that." So it's like, okay, let's not do more experiment, just fix this mess I have created. I just don't want anything. I seriously, that moment I didn't want anything. I just wanted some symmetry. I just wanted some balance. If you could bring the balance back, then I can think about the cotton bangs later, maybe, or maybe never, I don't know. So yeah, the focus was to bring in the balance. Now that I look back, I think of the mistakes. I should have been more patient. I should have been more, like, I should have been slower. I was in hurry. I think I thought, okay, it takes like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. It can be done easily. It's just bangs. I cut my bangs, I think, once when I was in college. It was easy, and I did it like very well. But it has been like so long. My hair has never been this big, so I think I became nervous. I made many mistakes, but here we are trying to fix it, and now it doesn't look that bad. I think Anirban did a very good job, the best he could. I had all the small hairs
Good job.
everywhere, so he was like, "Oh my god, you're putting the hair on my face. What are you doing?" I was like, okay, but I love you so much for this, because really he did a very good job, because the way I destroyed my hair from that to this, good. I mean, I like it. I like it any day over what I do. This is the big chunk, and there are like Sherlock's hair as well. So yeah, I think I like it now, or maybe I'm gonna live in denial till my hair grows back. So yeah, let me know, what should I do? Should I cut my hair again? Should I go to a salon? Should I cut my hair short? Should I keep my hair like this? What to do? I have no idea. Or you have any number 5 option or 6 option? Let me know, because this is clearly a mess, but I like it in a strange way. It's not that bad. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, see you very soon. So yeah, bye bye for now. Take care.